Hi, welcome to this training. I will reveal to you a secret on how to capture a spike in boom and crash. So without taking much time, I have a secret to share with you. This strategy have made a lot of money for me because it captures spike within a short period of time. So before we go further, let's go into illustration for you to have clear and deep understanding on how it works. So basically, we are using crash to start. Remember, crash is when the market is crashing. So you identify the trend. That's the first thing you need to do. Identify the structure. So the structure of the market in crash should be in downside. That is downtrend. That makes it a good one for you to capture the spike, as we say. So remember, downtrend consists of what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You get the point. So in what I did now, don't mind my drawing so far, but it gives us what we need, right? So now the first thing you need to do now is to know that this structure has been broken. The break-off structure has been broken. The next thing you need to do is to place your order with how I will show you how to draw it. You will pick the last candle before the spike, the push down. That's where you place your what? That's where you place your is your other drawing that I draw now. You get the point. So now you have seen what I do, the way I did it now. So the how this is where you place your stop, you place your order middle of this zone. You get the point. Your your stop loss should be very tight. That's what makes it a very good trade strategy. So this is where you target this very zone here. Is it clear now? I hope it's clear. So let's move into live market, but I want you to pause this video now and look clearly on what I've done now for you not to get confused along the line. So let's move to the live market straight away. So we are in live market now. We're looking at screen. We notice that this is what's crash 1000 and it's in downtrend. Do you agree with me that this is in downtrend? So let me show you a reason why I picked this very point. It pays my attention because this downtrend. If you can agree with me, the next thing I'll share more conviction with you. This is not like double button that's surface here. You get the point. You make this market to push high, thinking that it will continue to rally up. It broke off this structure. Everybody sees that. So after that, it pushes up, but it doesn't continue. After that, it moves down and break off this structure. It's confirmed that this market was also continue its downtrend. That's why I picked this spot. Is it clear? So let me move further. So the first break of structure in this trend is this zone. This strategy is not a rocket science. Just pay very good attention. This is the first break of structure. If you can look very well, that's the first break of structure that brought my attention. The first thing I need to do is the last candle before the spike. You get the point. When I say last candle before the spike, this is what I mean. This is the last candle before the spike. You place your lock here, extend it down to the wick. You can still make an adjustment after the drawing. You extend it. The extension should be above here. So this is how to draw it. You get the point. So I said the last candle before the spike. Look very well. This is the last candle before the spark. This is very well. So after that, it pushed down. So immediately the price, I'll place my order within this zone. My order should be within this zone. You need to have a tighter stop loss in this. That's why I like it so much. Tighter stop loss matters a lot. So immediately the price came into the zone, it picks your order and push down. Your target at least the last lower low. You get the point. So let's move again and see what the market brings to us. So now this is another break of structure. Let's see it. So where do we draw our other block? That's the question. So pay attention. If you miss the first one, I need you to pay very good attention in this very one. Okay, this is the last candle before the spike. Can you show me the last candle before the spike? Last candle before the spike is this. Take it down. You extend your block. You get the point. You set your order within this zone. So I share this example because I don't want you to see it as a 100% strategy. It do fails. That's why sometimes I will always advise you to extend your word, extend your stop loss at least a little. You're targeting 1:2, and at least make your stop loss to be at least 1% of your account. So this is one is this we are risking what? We are risking 1% to 2% to get in 2%. So that's our value. You see what happens? So it's a very good, nice trade. Whoever take this trade made a lot of money with it. So let's move to other example on Boom for you to see that it works in our market. Is for you to identify the structure. That's the main thing. Look very well. You see, you notice that this is a Boom 1000. We are using Flower. So now, do you agree with me that this is uptrend? We don't need to go further on this because some of you know what is trend and how to identify it. So what's brought your attention? What brought your attention here is this zone. This structure has been broken. So what again do you need? You need to come and draw your order here, order block. Last candle before the SPY. Push it down and extend the line. It's very simple. Get your target. Let's hit at the middle of the zone. Remember, the best thing to do is to divide this block into three. Use the first quarter. So that's how I do it. I divide into three and use the first quarter for me not to miss any move. I rather lose than missing the move. You get the point because it pays to spoil this very strategy. But if you miss it, it's very painful, bro. So that's how we do it. So you extend it at least to this high. Everybody see what happens. Immediately the price pick up our order, it rallies up immediately. So it's not rocket science, anybody can do that. So if you're getting a value so far in this video, I would like you to keep your thumb button, subscribe so that I'll be sharing more good update with you guys. The easiest way to make money in Forex is clean your emotional perspective. That's the only thing you need to do. So every strategy works. It depends on what you do. Depends on how you look at it. It depends on how you work with it. So I want to advise you to get involved in things that work for you, not things that are working for others. What I'm using is very short strategy that anybody can use, but what matters is will you have patience for you to execute itself. So see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.